In this update, I look at Brightline's construction progress at Orlando International Airport. I start south of the station and drive through the airport, ending up at the Goldenrod Road Tunnel. Behind the bushes on the left is the completed track that will lead to Brightline's heavy maintenance facility and will eventually become the main line to Disney and Tampa. The biggest development since my last update is the installation of signals at the station. Some signals have also been installed at the north end of the station as an APM passes in the background. Work continues here on a trench under taxiways F and E. Due to clearance issues here, the tracks need to be sunk down several feet to fit under the taxiway. Crews were touching up some of the concrete as I passed by. The tracks will make their first pass under the elevated tracks of the Terminal C automated people mover here. Near where the Terminal C and Airside 4 APMs enter the main terminal, crews are working on an underpass for baggage carts to go under the future tracks. This is also being done by the Airside 2 APM. Both of them need to be completed before work on the tracks can begin, as to not disrupt the airport's flight operations. More fill has been laid in this section of the right-of-way. The tracks will pass under taxiway J here. Here crews are continuing to work on an underpass under Cargo Road. The road needs to remain open during construction, so they are building half of it at a time, with all traffic sharing the half not under construction. The first half is almost complete, with beams for the future roadway now in place. At this drainage canal, metal beams are now in place across it, making this the most advanced of any of the bridges currently being built for Brightline. Here the tracks begin their eastward turn towards Cocoa alongside State Road 528. Concrete walls are going up along the outside edge of the curve. Here's what remains of the fill that was removed during the installation of the Goldenrod tunnel. It is being spread along other portions of the route. At the top of the tunnel, the new concrete barrier wall is almost complete. Here's the route west as crews work on the wall. Here's a look east from the top of the tunnel. Around the east tunnel portal, crews are finishing cleaning up from its construction. They are finalizing the surrounding grade, and the route towards Cocoa is becoming visible. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.